to our channel. This is Foodfeastuk, and today we're going to making it's sort of immunity booster drink, or mostly I just usually make it for people when they have like common cold. And the ingredients I'm using are pretty simple, just your normal ginger, lemon, and some oranges, or if you have pineapples you can put that in, and lemon. And it's pretty quick and straightforward, and I'm just going to show you what I do if you just come along with me. In here I've got my lemon, my orange, and my ginger, and what I've done is that with the lemon I've squeezed some of the juice out, so that when you boil it, it kind of extracts the juice and everything comes together, but I've squeezed it out because I wanted some of the juice out. And what I will do after that is just put some water. Yeah, so just put enough water that you've almost covered up the pot, and bring that to a boil. So I'm going to leave that here to steam up for a bit, and by then it would have brought out all the juices from the fruit. And I've got my honey here, and I got the honey with cinnamon, because cinnamon is actually another really good thing to use to boost the immune system, or for when someone has like common cold and you want to make a drink for them to just drink for the meantime. So I got the honey with cinnamon, and I'll just leave it here to steam. And when it's fully steamed, I'll sieve out the water and I will sweeten it with honey. And yeah, it's very simple and straightforward. Right, so this is come to a boil and it's ready for me to sieve. So I'll take it into a sieve and take out the liquid and just chuck out all the lemony bits, and then I'll add the honey. Right, this is the drink after it's been sieved. It's still very hot because I've just taken it off the fire. And the next thing I'll do is just add some honey. Just add the honey to how much you like, but I think just a little bit is always okay. I know some people don't like the sour taste of lemon, so they tend to not want to put little honey, but add the honey, stir it in, and you can store this in the fridge to drink every morning if you like. And I've read somewhere that boiling lemon and a couple of things is a good odor neutralizer for the kitchen. So while you're getting this for your body, it's also helping your kitchen to smell nice, because my kitchen does smell really nice now. So you just stir in the honey and just drink as and when you need. If you're someone that's got a common cold, I would say try and have like maybe one in the morning, one in the afternoon, like a glass in the morning, afternoon, and evening. But you can just drink as much as you can, and trust me, it works like magic. Yeah, thank you so much for watching our video today. You can subscribe, like, or share with your friends. Tell them how this is very helpful for their immunity, or if they've got like a cold or something, it's a very good drink to have in the house. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a lovely evening, afternoon, or morning. Bye.